morning children, I am Nidhi teacher and today I will show you our art activity how to make a bird nest. First I would like to say please take good care of yourself. Maintain hygiene, drink lots of water, wash your hands frequently, eat proper food, healthy food and don't go outside and read books, engage yourself and do not trouble to your mothers. Hello children, now we start art activity. First you take a paper, this is a rectangle shaped paper. Then you stick here like this, fold like this and fold like this. Okay, now I stick here, I use stick pen. And you stick like this. And I fold this and I cut here. I use this after. And now I cut like this. I remove this and like shape like this. Now we stick this cutting, stick here like this. Okay. Now we make a bird. First I have 3 circles. Now in 3 circles we make 3 birds. First I take one simple one I cut there and make a round shape, very easy, and fold like this, fold like this and use cut. Like this. And I have one eyes also. So first I stick eyes. And this is beak. I made it before. And I have this shape. And I use this for bird's legs and stick here one bird's. First I cut here. Now I make 2 birds same manner and I stick here. One is a stick here, another is stick here. And I have one paper, rectangle paper. Cut like this and stick here. You can hang it on your terrace garden and you can stick on your wall. This is bird's nest.